Unit 4, Mixed Review, number 4. Joseph went to the grocery store and bought 3 packages of rice with the following weights: 13 and 35 ounces, 11 and 517 thousandths ounces, 13 and 8/10 ounces. What is the best approximation for the weight of all 3 packages of rice combined? All right, so we've got some very important words. Best approximation, that means we get to estimate. Then we've got the word combined, which tells me that I'm going to add. So I want to add all 3 of those together, but I get to round them. I don't have to deal with these nasty decimal numbers. So if you're ever trying to figure out what place to round to, try looking at your answer choices. So I see 39, 37, 25, and 41. What place does it look like they rounded to in order to get those answers? It should be the ones place. So I'm going to round each one of these to the ones place. So on the first number, we have a 3 in the ones place with a 3 behind it. So remember that balloon. So I've got a 3 balloon, and I'm going to count to 3, and my balloon stays in my hand. That means the 3 is going to stay. So the 1 stays, the 3 stays, everything behind it becomes a 0. But like we talked about in class, those zeros don't need to be there. I'm going to make this as easy as it can be. Just go to whole number 13. 1 with a 5 behind it. Now, if I'm holding that balloon and I count to 5, my balloon's going to float up. And so the 1 is going to go up to a 2. The 1 in front of it stays. Everything else would be a 0, but I'm just going to drop them off and say 12. 13 and 8/10, we've got a 3 with an 8 behind it. That balloon is long gone by the time I've counted to 8, and so 3 is going to go up to 4. The 1 in front of it stays, and again, dropping off those zeros. So 13 plus 12 plus 14. Let's see, 13 plus 12 is 25, plus 14 gets 39. And so correct answer is A, 39.